Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thanks for the subs, thanks for the likes. What we got going on today is we are working on the suspension of the go-kart, trying to get a better suspension than the stock ones, get a better ride. I'm hooking it up and welding it right now. Oh, off subject, if any of y'all are looking into getting a welder, this Harbor Freight welder for little projects like this, and we got the 150 XR right here. Sorry, we have the CRF 150R. I finally got it running. It is running amazing. I've been making a really good amount of progress with riding wheelies. That's coming soon. I'm gonna make a video. I've made enough progress with my wheelies to make a video, and then also we're gonna be redoing all the plastics, the chain, hand guards, levers, revamping it, cleaning it up a lot. It's pretty worn out, but we're gonna get it looking nice. Seat cover, going for a black and white theme. But let's get on to the go-kart and see what we can do. I kind of already mocked up the front ones. I may have to re-brace it, but we'll see. So far, I like it. Other things I did to it, I got a seat belt installed to where it holds me in. I have a new seat coming. It's not in yet. And I have a sprocket over here. I got a bigger sprocket to where I can get more low-end torque on the takeoff. But that's it. I'm gonna put y'all up on a tripod and get some footage of this install. Alright, so for now, this is what we got. I'm going pretty straight up because the shock is really stiff. I just have it tacked in for now, and I'm going to finish up majority of the welds after. And then once the shock's done, I'm going to change out the sprocket. Hopefully by then my seat's in here, and then we can go test her again. This is what the suspension looks like, compressing it a lot better than before. And I have all the gas let out of the well, majority of the gas let out of the chambers. I can add more nitrogen if I want to, and also tighten up the shock. But yeah, it's going pretty good so far. I'm liking it. Let me know if y'all like the watching me build. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm kind of figuring it out on the way. Like, I don't know how to weld. I just got this welding machine, which I love it so far. I mean, it's everything you need to work out of a small shop, do small projects like I'm doing on this go-kart here. But yeah, we got the handbrake installed. That made a world of difference on this go-kart. Love the handbrake. And then once I'm all done with the welding and everything, I'm going to wash it up, clean it up, and we're gonna take it out. Oh, and I need a new tire. Last time I went out, I rode it really hard. It made a bubble right here, and it actually like delaminated part of the tire. I'm not sure where it's at right now, but no good. So I got another tire as well, so we should be ready to rip soon. Y'all stay tuned, like and sub. Thanks for watching.